Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of How Do You Sew That? Chapter 3 Hong Kong Seams. So, in this technique, you have to sew your seams as usual. Pin the fabric right sides facing each other and sew along the length. Give it a double stitch so that the seam becomes quite strong. So, to give you a background, Hong Kong seam gets its name from the same region and they were quite popular for using this technique to give it a couture like finish to unlined garments. After pressing the seam open, use a bias strip 1 inch in width and pin it to the right side of a single seam allowance. Give it a stitch very close to the edge, like 1/4 inch. Fold the bias strip over to the other side, encasing the raw edge, and give it a press nicely with your fingers. Now sew it along the length by stitching it in the ditch very close to the seam line, and voila, you're done. Repeat this process again with the next seam. So this technique can be a little challenging if you're a beginner. A suggestion would be to take this technique quite slowly so that you get it right. So what would you like to see next? Bye!